doing this. I'm not doing that.
Yes, we are. Oh, it's good. It's stable. Come on.
No way.
Sweetie, you know why I'm here? I'm here to protect you.
You've done great at that.
I don't want you to trust me right now. We're getting down. Let's go. Don't look down, okay? Step. See, it's easy. Come on.
Careful, these cables are starting to get thinner here.
Step. There.
Oh my God.
Hey, don't look down. All right, don't look down. We're gonna be at the building in no time.
You okay, Tess?
Keep stepping.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, sweetie, you need to keep moving here, okay? Come on.
I'm freaking out.
You need to move now.
I'm not moving. I'm going back to the ship.
Whoa, shit! You can't go back to the ship, honey?
Watch me.
You are not 18 years old yet, and you're gonna do what I say. Now let's go! We need to go this way, okay? Not that way. Talk to her, Romeo, now.
Come on, for God's sake.
Do not start with me. Oh my God, what is that?
All right, Tessa, don't look back.
Well, don't say that to me now. I want to turn around.
It's nothing major, sweetie.
Well, that means it's totally
I'm
major.
gonna have to point this gun in your direction. It's gonna feel like it's in your direction, but I'm not.
You better hurry.
You're trying to kill me?
I had to bust my ass to get up here on this spaceship.
Shoot it!
Get down now! Faster, wait! I'm coming for you! Faster! Oh! I'm coming! Hold on! You're the best, Pete! You are the best! You damn right!
And don't ever forget it.
You see that?